Okay, so here is my program. This is version 2 of my ideal gas law calculator. It looks a little different. When I run it, it says, welcome to your virtual chemistry assistant. We're going to solve, and now it's asking me what variable do I want to solve for. So I'll type V, for example, if I want to find the volume. And so now it's asking me for the temperature. I'll put 300 Kelvin. The pressure is 1.2 atmospheres. I've got 0.8 moles of gas. And it tells me that in this case the volume would be 16.42 liters. I can see that right here. So then it's asking me enter Y to solve another problem. So we want to make sure it can do this more than once because students usually have more than one homework problem. So I'll hit Y, which will restart it. And then one of the features is that if I enter a choice here, it's asking me what I want to solve for. If I enter something that's not valid, like I type a lowercase p, it'll say not a valid response, and it'll just prompt me again. And so if I say anything except one of those four variables, it'll keep prompting me. So eventually, I can solve for something like I'll solve for the pressure, capital P. So the temperature is 273 degrees Kelvin. I have exactly 1 mole, and the volume is 17.5 liters. And it tells me the pressure will be 1.28 atmospheres for that problem. And this would continue to go on until I wish to terminate, in which case any key will terminate other than capital Y. So there's the program.